What if the most breathtaking coastlines in North America weren't by the ocean, but hidden deep inland? Welcome to the three Grand Lakes, Superior, Michigan, and Huron, where freshwater meets adventure, and every horizon tells a new story. Begin your journey at Lake Superior, the largest of all the Great Lakes, a freshwater giant so vast it creates its own weather. Its powerful waves crash against rugged cliffs, while dense forests hug the shoreline in a scene straight out of a nature film. Duluth, Minnesota marks the gateway to Superior's wonders. Watch iron ships glide through the harbor, then venture north along the scenic byway to discover lighthouses, waterfalls, and quiet lakeside trails. At Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore, nature has painted sandstone cliffs in vibrant colors: emerald, orange, rust, all towering above turquoise waters. Take a boat cruise or kayak into the caves for a once-in-a-lifetime view. If solitude is what you seek, the Apostle Islands offer untouched beaches, forested trails, and even historic sea caves carved over centuries by the lake's relentless force. Camp, paddle, or simply breathe in the silence. Next, travel south to Lake Michigan, the most accessible and diverse of the three. From major cities to sandy hideaways, this lake blends natural beauty with human creativity. In Chicago, Lake Michigan becomes an urban oasis. Skyscrapers meet shoreline, while locals cycle the lakeside trail or relax on beaches with the city at their back and open water ahead. Head north to discover Michigan's more peaceful side, the golden sands of Sleeping Bear Dunes. Climb high into the dunes and stare out at endless blue where water meets sky in perfect harmony. Traverse City and Holland offer charming small-town vibes, cherry orchards, wineries, and lake views that redefine relaxation. It's where you can sip, stroll, and soak in Midwestern hospitality. Crossing east, Lake Huron feels different, quieter, more mysterious. It's dotted with over 30,000 islands, including Mackinac Island, where horse-drawn carriages replace cars and time slows to a gentler rhythm. On Mackinac, you can circle the entire island by foot or bike, stopping to explore limestone arches, Victorian homes, and the iconic Grand Hotel, perched proudly above the bluffs. Lake Huron's coastline is known for its lighthouses, some still guiding ships after more than a century. Each has a story to tell of storms weathered, ships lost, and lives saved. For underwater explorers, Thunder Bay National Marine Sanctuary offers dozens of shipwrecks preserved in crystal-clear waters, a rare chance to dive into maritime history. What sets these lakes apart is not just their size, but their spirit. They're fresh, alive, and constantly changing, fierce one day, mirror smooth the next. You don't just visit the lakes, you connect with them. Seasons transform the Grand Lakes into four entirely different worlds. Summer brings beach life and boating.